Let's embroider wave stitch together. Start by marking guiding lines. Then, embroider a row of straight, tiny anchoring stitches. These small stitches will create a base for your filling. When you finish anchoring stitches, take the needle to the surface on the second marking line and pass the needle under the first anchoring stitch. Push the needle to the fabric to finish the loop. Then, bring it back to the surface close to the last stitch. Then, place the needle under the second anchoring stitch, creating the second loop. Continue in this manner, adding the loops under each anchoring stitch. After you finish the first row of stitches, get your needle back to the surface on the third marking line and pass it under the leg of the stitch from the previous row. Finish the stitch, then get the needle back to the surface and pass it under the legs of 2 stitches from the previous row. All the next stitches will be made in this manner. Loop the stitch under each pair of the stitches from the previous row. You can use the back of the needle for lacing if you find it more convenient. The third row of the filling will look just like the second one. Add a loop under each pair of the stitches from the previous row to continue filling. When you reach the end of the design, fill the last row just like the previous rows, and secure the stitch on the back. When filling with the wave stitch, most of the thread will remain on the front side, and on the back side only tiny jumping stitches will be visible.